Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio. Kind of late in the evening, sneaking in a painting because I didn't get to do much today. This is Meeden black paint, and I'm going to put some white on the other side. I think I'm going to use my Artist Loft. Both are mixed with Floetrol and some GAC 800. I've done my edge. I only want a base layer. If I need more paint, if I think I need more paint to swipe over, I'll do that. But I'm really interested in just doing this. I hadn't thought about it, what I really want to swipe with yet, but maybe I'll use my spatula. Let's give it a shot anyway. So there's the black one. I'll knock that off and wipe it off on my damp studio rag, which I definitely recommend. I wanted this to be a little more organic than some other times. And I think it's probably important to have a bit of a puddle up there toward the center. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm quiet because I'm focused. Knock some paint off on the edge because I didn't go over that edge, but I can almost never tell. Even if I pre-prime my edge, by the time it dries, it's so similar to what was there already. It doesn't make any difference. So I meant to grab my Egyptian coin, but it looks like it's going to be the Mayan gold, because I'm not sure what I did with that. There it is, I see it. Depending on what state it's in, honestly. Let's knock all that off. Right before I put the paint down, I will put a little more white down on one side and maybe some black on the other. My Prizm pour paints, this among them, are mixed with, oh, the spoon's still in there, are mixed with Vivid Polypore. I'm not sure where I'm going to swipe to. It's time to make up some more Meeden paint. The Meeden paint is the blackest black I know of if you mix it the way I do. And you can find it if you're looking for it on my Amazon link. And if you can't, just ask me, because I for sure have it. Now I have a inspiration piece, and that's it. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it'll refocus my camera or not, but I'm going to assume that you got to see that. I hope so. Give my Egyptian coin a little bit more of a stir. I put a lot of my Prizm pours into small squeeze bottles today with a marble in them. We'll see how that works. It's just so much faster and less messy than cleaning up spoons. Now, I really need to rescue the rest of this, but this is not the time for that. So I'm going to put it right back where it was. I use Glad cling wrap a lot of the times for a temporary, a stopgap, and then if I need a lid for something. And it works really well for me. It's a little hard. Don't buy the big box if you buy it, because it sticks to itself and it's really hard to rip. But the smaller boxes work great. I'm going to mix it up and put some of the other gold in here, because I really don't mind if this is two colors of gold. I might even go for a third with the using my cell activator, which is Amsterdam. What am I getting on my canvas? What are you? Are you a paint chip? Yes, you are. I can't abide paint chips because they leave lumps. So I was just going to try and be fancy and go here and there and there and here. But I think I'm going to go simple. I'm going to use a little bit less of the almost impossible to find hot orchid. I want some black, but I can use the cell activator to do that, can I? I think I just want some black in there generally. That's my Aussie Floetrol. And that is the Meeden. Because I actually had decided to start with using white. This is, I'm going to use some Bonfire, assuming that it's stirred up. Maybe use a palette knife, kind of like that solution. When I don't feel like cleaning off another spoon, I can always wipe it right off. Put the lid back on. I have a little bit of poinsettia left. I think I'm going to have to hoard it. How much do I have in there? I have some claret. Maybe a little bit of that. I'm looking over there at my... I'm just going to take a chance and not stir it. Because it's vivid polypore, as I may have said. And you can ask me for my recipe, but I think I included it below the video already. So, the pink diamond is the star of this show, I think. And we'll see what happens. I just needed, I want to say, I just needed my fix for the day. Because I didn't get to paint recently. And I'm wondering if there's another color. Yes, I've got some rose violet, and I want a little bit of purple in there. Oh, you know what? And I've got just enough. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted in there. Cool. These are some of my favorite colors. I wanted to use some of my African violet, but I'm afraid I'll lose my pink. So maybe just a couple of little spots and call it good. All right. I'm going to start out by trying my gold, which I have made up of, out of necessity, golden iridescent gold fluid, which was too loose, so then I added to it some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And I'm going down from the top. I want some black in there too on this side, although I could certainly use the purple. But I definitely think I'm going to start with the black. And then I'm going to move along to the white, because I can. The name of my first book next to my second book on the Amazon link. I need some bottle. I need some swiveling room. And I didn't leave it myself. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I'm going to go on to some purple on the top here with some white, I think. And maybe some gold as well. Purple, white, and gold. Sounds like somebody's school colors. Okay, that's pretty cool. I want to leave some black. I keep thinking... Okay, I say that tentatively. I'm going to use some white on this side, and I've already got the black on there. I'm going to kind of want to take a little tip at that because I see that black up there and I want to move it. As in, just a little. I keep putting that black someplace it doesn't belong. It's late, what can I say? I want this paint to go over here. And I'm going to wipe that off again so I can use it. I'm going to go up from down there. Am I? Want a little bit more. Of everything actually. And I have some blue velvet. All these were shaken up earlier and they seem to be holding their own. I want to go that way. I was going to do just gold, but I think I want some white too. Now I like that. I didn't really save myself any paint, but I can always scrape it off of the surface I put it down on. Now I have to choose if I want anything else, and I don't think I really need anything else. That might hang best sideways. Although I kind of want some black over here for whatever reason. Didn't mean to drop that, but I think I'm going to have to learn to live with it because I don't think it's worth fighting with it to get rid of it. And it might just make an interesting little element. Alright, so if you like what I do, feel free to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. A little more Mayan gold. For whatever reason. Loving those cells. I have a torch that's just about to die. I think I'm going to go right up there. I kind of could very easily have some fun adding paint from squeeze bottles. So there is a Prizm pour, or there is rather a color art coupon code for 20% off below my video. I should show that to you my direction. You know what? There's no cells over here, but I see a lump and that needs to go away. And I have small tools if I'm lucky. And I think I'm going to be adding a little bit more cell making capacity. And using my residuals on the edge. There. Yeah, that was too much fun. It just makes me want to do it again. Wherever I've got paint on my tile, I can just with my little acetate tool. If you don't know, there is a video tutorial, and if I don't remember to add it underneath this video, please just ask me for it and I will give it to you. No harm, no foul. I have no problem. I kind of want to put dots in there. Why do I want to put dots in there? I want to put orange dots in there is what I want to do. I have little tiny containers. Yeah, I know, it's weird, but I like it. So that's my timer telling me I've got 3 minutes to tell you I have a link tree, and it has Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links on it. My Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. It has my Amazon link on it, where you can find my 2 books. It has, what else? I don't know. I'm still focused. And hopefully I'm not blocking your total view. That's, I'm really liking this a lot. Come on out. Just because I can, like I said. And the name of my second book is Unlimited Possibilities, and they're on the Amazon link. Anything you buy from my Amazon link contributes to help keep the studio rolling and creating videos. Just making sure that's not a thing in there. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm not sure which the best side is up. I'm pretty sure they're all not too bad. Probably going to be touching up my edges for a few minutes. At least with some black paint where it's dark, where it goes over. My email address is below my link tree should you be interested in purchasing an artwork, or at least inquiring about one, or making an inquiry about the cost or the details of taking a lesson with me privately, one-on-one at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm loving those cells. I'm going to have to zoom in. I definitely am going to have to zoom in. And I'm going to try to bring my light over. As long as it will cooperate with me. And it's a slow process. Come on. There we go. Look at that. I'm going to try and zoom in and share with you. How incredible. That is some amazing shimmer. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love it. That's going to be... Oh, why did you turn yourself off? You're not supposed to do that. There we go. Probably something I did. Oh, that's awesome. I am loving the little... I like the little dendrites too. I like it when they bleed. I really do. I know people don't, but I do. I'm just one of those. All right, you guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Saying I love you. Thank you for inspiring me. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week. I have 2,300 videos you can find on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. And check out the drawing prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video included on this end screen's video. This video's end screen in the last 20 seconds of this video at the beginning of that video. And should you want to use the PayPal app, you'll get an invitation to join in the monthly drawing if you'd like to. My recipe's below the video. I know the time is going to end in a second, so it makes it really hard to talk right now. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring me. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, Wow. She's a beauty.